G'day guys, it's me again, and as what you have noticed, I've been trying to upload my old travel vlogs, but they take time to edit and also they take time to organize. Most of those vlogs are like cringe newbie vlogs. They're kind of weird, yeah, they're cringe and everything else, and they're not well done. But anyway, I'm still posting them because they're my. I tried to do vlogs before, and I just want to finish that task that I have planned for myself. Also, I'll be putting up all my videos that I've did on the side. Like I try to do daily vlogs or like quick videos, and some of them are unfinished. Some of them are still cringe. Some of them are weird. Some of them are like really random from out of nowhere. But I'll be putting them on the channel. Try to post them daily or as much as possible. If you feel that it's kind of weird, you can just go on and yeah, not just disregard those videos. Anyway, if you like them and if you like my other posts also, please give them a comment or just give me a like. I don't usually ask this because it's cringe, but yeah, I need some motivation right now. So if you can do that, I really appreciate it. And yeah, that's it. So see you around. And again, if you see those weird videos out there, you can just go to the next one. Yeah, that's it. But anyway, they're coming and they're coming to you soon. Okay, take care. I was packing up and I just remembered one more thing. Yeah, if you're Bisaya or you just want to look into my Bisaya blog, just check out the link below. Check out my Bisaya blog, which is Bisaya Bay. You can do a search on YouTube, search Bisaya Bay, and yeah, it's there. So yeah, love it when you support it. Thanks.